We got a little wind going. We're going to have a little rain this evening. And a little rain in the morning, but it's going to be 77 tomorrow.
Damn, I wish.
In your face.
I'm telling you, man, we got ice raining down on us right now.
Sucks to be you.
Yes, it does. That it does.
Oh, you know who else it sucks to be?
Ernie?
This little lightning tiger. You're right, Ern.
Skirm Dog got burned again. Lost another channel.
Oh my gosh. I'm gonna have to edit my little video here. I might have to get another one, man. Like not one, not two, not three. We're gonna have to have 4 on this one now. It's like,
yeah. Hello.
Ernie, if you're listening, I didn't take 1. I didn't take 2. I took 3 channels of yours. I own
Hey, everybody, give her an applause.
she said, dox me, bitch, dox me. Well, that bitch tried to dox her and she took another channel.
Yep. It was funny, too, man. I mean, he had just went live.
Yeah, he did. To take up for Griff.
Yeah. That's
Y'all
another
ain't gonna
story
talk about
altogether.
my friends like that. With friends like that, who needs enemies?
Right.
So, I don't know if we should have a memorial service for Skirm Dog's channels or just keep dunking on him a little bit.
Oh, I'd say let's get it technical.
You know he's watching, right?
Oh, I know he is. He
Hello.
always watches.
Yeah, he's probably watching over at Nikki's house.
Yep. He was told the 4th one was coming.